Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand, the Reaching Stylings refrigerators. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For these units, they're entirely about like a 27.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 32 inches. And the overall height, they are about like 81.5 inches tall. So as we can see the front of the units, we have a lockers on top of it. And these are swing doors turning to the right. And looking the bottoms, we're having the the digital controls from the Dexo brands right here. And this one can show the temperatures and you can setting all the functions from these controllers. And when we're looking the behind of the units, they do come in with the 110 standard plugs and the compressor they mount at the bottoms right here at these positions. And also when we open the door, inner side of the door, we're having the ETL sanitation stickers on it and all the cost sheets information details from the manufacturers and the fast serial number for the service. And let me give you the inside dimensions. The depth of the unit is about like a 25 inches. And the wide is about like a 22 inches. And the overall height for the entry clearance is about like a 50.5 inches tall. And for the inner side, we have a fan, circling fan on top of it. And on side of the units, we have one thermometers on the side. And for each of the shelvings, they are adjustable the heights. They have a mount on the side for the tray. You can just adjust these clips to adjust the size of each of the shelvings. And the units come with 3 shelvings from the manufacturers. So this will be all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.